You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this family, a German surname and the name of a royal dynasty from Germany, pronounced in German, the German pronunciation here, the house of Wittelsbach. Wittelsbach is how it's pronounced in German, so W is pronounced like a V. Wittelsbach. Now, in English it's often pronounced Wittelsbach, Wittelsbach. Some may say it Wittelsbach, well, that's pushing it a little bit. Wittelsbach or Wittelsbach in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.